project on the bench here at D-Lab, a Meteor amp. I've never had one in the shop. It's very cool looking. This one suffers from a noise issue. Not sure what it is yet because I've never worked on one. So here's what it's doing. That's with the volume all the way down. As you advance it, it gets worse. Kind of sounds like an open ground rather than a bad filter cap. So let's pop the back and take a look. Alright, let me sweep the back of this thing so you can see how it's built. It's got 3 gigantic Weber speakers in it. It's pretty crazy. All the controls are up under the top panel, and then there's an interface cable that goes down to the main amp section. This thing runs 4 6v6 tubes. Looks pretty well built. Let's see if I can determine where the noise problem is. Could be in the cabling, could be a bad connection up there. Let's investigate. Turn on the standby, the volume's all the way down. Rest controls are midway. Let's just see if there's any sensitivity. There shouldn't be any high voltage up here in the controls, but just be careful. I'm going to use a plastic wand. So far, nothing too alarming. I'm getting a little bit of noise on one of the pots, but I think that's just me. So then we got this interface cable that comes down. That all feels secure. This looks like the actual audio line right here. That's got some noise. Goes to a plug down here. It looks like a maybe like a computer D connector. That appears to be okay. There's definitely some noise here, but it's not the noise I'm hearing. So there may be something in here. Feels pretty secure, so interesting. There's still a popping noise. Hear that? Interesting. Okay, well, looks like I'm gonna have to pop out the chassis and give it an inspection. Alright, I just made a grand discovery, people. I was getting ready to power this thing down. I got the bright idea to look up here really close. Take a look at that resistor right there on the back of the pilot lamp. It's a 100 ohm resistor. It's broken. More than likely somebody changed a light bulb at one time, broke the resistor, and guess what that is? That's your hum balance network. Change these resistors and it's probably fixed. So yep, that's pretty interesting. Obviously took a little bit of physical abuse there, huh? This would be an easy fix. This guy drove this thing over to me from the Detroit area. There goes that part. Be a piece of cake. So even though this 100 ohm resistor checks good, I really don't like how much tension there is on the resistor. You can see it's right up against that terminal, so I'm going to replace both. Well, there we go. 2 new resistors with a little bit of slack in the leads in case things move around. We won't break them. Let's retest. Alright, let's give her a retest. It's already powered up. There's my standby. You can see now we have a pretty acceptable level of hum. Before I had that amount of buzz with the volume all the way down. I would say she's fixed. Well, that was easy. That is not typical for amps that come into D-Lab. It's usually something horrendous and I work on them for hours. I would have to say this is a record for the quickest repair that's came through the shop. And you know what? I'd probably celebrate, but there's no wine here. Marsha's been like gone all day, so she better have the mother load when she gets back. Hope you enjoyed the video.